It's okay. It's okay. Jacob, what are you going to do with it? Up the boards. Good save, goalie. Good save, goalie. Nice shot, Jacob. 9-14. Nice play. Right out front. You got Jacob out front. Way to step in. Get that stick free. All right, Jacob, blow past. There you go. Nice celebration. 4-2. All right, Jakey, what are you going to do now? Don't mess around. Nice shift. Good job. Way to play, boys. 4-2. 8 minutes to go.